Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. In this video guys, I will guide you on how to properly take spot trade on SuperEX. SuperEX is an exchange platform, and here you can take spot trading perfectly on SuperEX and make cool money on it. But you have to follow simple instruction in order to make some money on SuperEX. In today's video guys, I'll be covering some important points which is very crucial about spot trading on SuperEX. The first one is that I will explain to you what is spot trading, what spot trading is all about. I will explain to you guys. Then I will also walk you through the processes on how to make spot trading on SuperEX. So if this is what you want to learn guys, sit back and watch this video till the end. So guys, while dealing with exchanges, there are some settings that is available on exchange one that you might not be able to access on exchange 2. So each of these exchanges has their own capability. But guys, don't let me deceive you. SuperEX is one of the best crypto exchange I'm using. So that is why I want to get you through the processes guys on how to take spot trading on SuperEX. The first thing you have to do guys is to have an account with SuperEX. Setting an account or creating an account with SuperEX is very simple. Click on the link in the video description guys. Once tap on that link, create your account, verify your account. Once you verify your account, then you are good to go. The first thing you have to do guys is to be sure that you have your USDT straight to your account. And to have your USDT to your account, go ahead and tap on the asset button. Once tap on the asset button, it comes up like this. You have the overview, you have the market, free market, EMM. Go ahead and tap on main market. Once tap on main market, go ahead and tap on deposit button. Tapping on deposit button guys, bridge to this interface. Search for UXTT, or you see USDT under popular token or coin, tap on UXTT. Once you tap on UXTT, it comes up like this. You can transfer your UXTT from other wallet to this platform using any of the network you see on the screen. Now that you have successfully transferred your UXTT to this platform, then you're going to take the trading process in a moment. So if you enjoy what I've explained so far and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. Now that I've done that, go to this trade button guys. You can see the trade button. Tap on the trade button, tap on it one more time. Then you have three options. You have the spot, the future, and copy trade. Then tap on spot trading. Once tap on the spot trading, it comes up like this. So the first thing you have to do guys is to pick any of the token you want to trade. So tap on this button. Once tap on that button, you have access to this token here. There are so many tokens here that you can trade, that you can buy here. You have the main market. You have so many tokens here that you can buy here. So let me remove this 80 and see that you have numerous tokens that you can buy on SuperEX. So you have to select which of these tokens you want to buy. It has to do with you personally. So select each of the tokens you want to buy. So for the sake of this video, let's go for ETH or BTC. So let's go for BTC. Now we tap on BTC, tap on it. Once tap on it, then it comes up like this, BTC/UXTT. So this is called base crypto and quote crypto. Base crypto is one at the left hand side, while quote crypto is one at the right hand side. So in this scenario, base crypto is BTC, while quote crypto is UXTT. Now right after that, at the front of BTC USDT, you see is 0.7877%. This is the price indication for this token the last 24 hours, or for this coin the last 24 hours. With this minus 0.77%, test with that the last 24 hours the price of BTC has fallen around 0.77% the last 24 hours. The next thing I want to cover in this place is this candlestick. If you tap on this candlestick, tap on it again, and it shows you this candlestick. Now go ahead and tap on 1 minute. Let me explain what the candlestick stand for. The candlestick stand for, in every 1 minute, this candlestick stand for what happened to this token the last 1 minute. If you tap on 5 minutes, it also explains to you what happened to this token in the last 5 minutes. So the way you see the green long candlestick tells you that the price of BTC in last 5 minutes, that 5 minutes, the price of BTC rise very well. And if you take a look at the red one, tells you that the price of BTC fall in that 5 minutes. Then if you tap on 15 minutes, the same thing. So some people think that when you tap on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you're going to end the trade within that time frame. No, each of these candlesticks stand for a number, or the time frame is selected. You can see the candlestick for 12 hours. Now each candlestick here stand for 12 hours. Now that I've tapped on that, the next button I want you to tap is the second button. That is where you see two double candlestick. Tap on that button. Once tap on that button, it brings you to this interface. The first you have to see here, guys, you have to see the market, the info, and project analysis. So let's talk about the market. Once you tap on the market, you see that you have the current price of BTC is 18,033 USDT point some cents. Now if you take a look at what happened at the front of this place, you see 24 hours high, 24 hours low, 24 hours volume, and 24 hours turnover. So 24 hours high, I mean the last 24 hours, the highest price of BTC is 108,856.52, while the lowest price of BTC in that 24 hours is 107,748.08. Then the volume in the last 24 hours is 1,049K, while the turnover in the last 24 hours is $161.59 million. That's turnover. Then here at the front, you can see that the price of BTC in the last 24 hours, the price of BTC in the last 24 hours is keep for 0.68%. Now if you do that, then tap on information. Here you have information about this project and project analysis. Now if you scroll all up a bit, guys, then you have access to book order and market history. So on that book order, you see that you have the green color and the red color. The green color indicates people are buying at particular price, while the red color, people are selling at a particular price. Now you can scroll that you have different options there. Then you have the market history. If you tap on the market history, you can see the time here, guys, that at every second people are placing order on this token. That is how this works. Then let's go back again and tap on this back button. Now that I've know all this, you can use this one to do some analysis about this project. But guys, I would recommend or encourage that do not use any exchange to do analysis on any crypto. Better use some crypto analysis website to run your analysis very well. So guys, if you still enjoy what I've explained and you are yet to subscribe, guys, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap that notification icon and select all. Now that I've know all this, you selected your PS, you know what it is. The next thing is to buy or sell. Now before you buy or sell, let me please shape in what is spot trading. Spot trading simply means you buy token at a very cheap price and you sell it at higher price. That is spot trading. So if you cannot trade future trading, you can still make some cool money or cool cash from spot trading. Just buy your token or coin at a very low price and sell it at higher price. In that regard, you'll be able to make some money. So let's go and explain what you hear. Now that here you have the buy button and you have the sell button, let's talk about the buy button. Now once you tap on the buy button, there is this button here. Tap on this button. Once you tap on this small icon, you see that limit order. Limit order is to buy or sell at a specific price or better. Limit order are not guaranteed to be executed. Now that is what is limit order is all about. Now tap on this button. Here you are. Once you tap on this arrow, you have different options here. You have the limit order or limit market. You have the market order. You have the stop limit and stop market. So majorly, guys, you trade on limit order and market order. So let me quickly run through the limit order. Tap on limit order. Once you tap on limit order, you have two important information here. The first one is that you'll be able to enter the market at your own convenient price. For example, the current price of BTC is $108.86.88 is the current price, but you think that the price of BTC is going to fall to around $107,500. So let's enter $107,500 here. Then you think that the price of BTC is going to fall to $107,500, and that is the price you want to buy. The next thing is that you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to invest into this place. You can manually type in your USDT into that place. Now that I've typed in your USDT, maybe you want to invest $500 or $2,000 here. Type in $2,000 here, guys. So once you type $2,000 here, guys, the amount of BTC you get display at this place. Now go ahead and tap buy. One thing about limit order is that your order might not be completed, because if the price is not at your specified order, the system will not trigger your order. The order might not be completed. Then the same thing goes for sell. If you want to sell at limit order, you enter the amount of price you want to sell. Now you bought your BTC at rate of 107, and you believe that one day BTC is going to 120,000, so you read $120,500 here. Then the amount of BTC you want to sell, maybe out of that you sell 50%, 70%, or you set everything. Then the amount of USDT you get comes up here. Then go ahead and tap on sell button. That is how to do that. The next option I want to explain is market order. Unlike limit order, market order, the order will be executed immediately. The token you want to buy, any token you want to buy, will be executed at the current price, which is what you see here, guys. So here you cannot control the price, you can only control the amount of USDT you want to invest. That is why you see USDT turnover. So you manually enter the amount of USDT you want to enter by dragging this button, or you manually enter it by saying 200 or 2000 or 5000 USDT. So that has to do with what you have on your account. Then it also goes the same way for sell. If you want to sell at current price, you cannot choose any price, you have to sell. So guys, now that you've done that, you'll be able to successfully purchase your token. Now, how will you know that you've made some profit? In order to know that you make some profit, is that you have to take into an account, or into consideration, the amount you use to buy your BTC or any other token. For example, you bought a BTC of 2000 USDT, and maybe after about a few days it rises to $2,300 or $2,400. It means that you've made some profit on that particular token you've purchased. That is how to know if you make some gain or loss on your crypto. And any market or any other you've completed, you should see them under the limit or market order. You should see them here, and if you have any stop limit, you should see them here, guys. So that's all the processes on how to trade spot trading on SuperEX. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more updates like this.